Home HVAC Services provides reliable HVAC maintenance in Westchester, PA, helping homeowners keep their heating and cooling systems running efficiently year-round. Our skilled technicians deliver thorough inspections, tune-ups, and preventative care to extend system lifespan and improve indoor comfort. If you have any questions, contact our HVAC maintenance team. Are you looking for HVAC maintenance near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. What maintenance should be done on HVAC? Standard HVAC maintenance includes changing filters, cleaning coils, checking refrigerant levels, inspecting the thermostat, and ensuring proper airflow. It also includes cleaning ducts and monitoring for leaks or blockages to maintain system performance and lengthen its lifespan. Does HVAC maintenance help lower energy bills? Yes, a well-maintained system runs more efficiently, which can reduce energy consumption and lower your monthly utility costs. What is your service area for the Westchester, Pennsylvania service office? Our HVAC maintenance have served Westchester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Windon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your Westchester, Pennsylvania HVAC maintenance office located? We are located at 831 Westchester Pike, Westchester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.